Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo Miss, sebelumnya izinkan saya untuk memperkenalkan diri terlebih dahulu. Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Rafqa dari kelas 10 Manajemen Perkantoran dan Layanan Bisnis 1. Hari ini, saya ingin menyanyikan lagu yang berjudul Not You karya Alan Walker. In my life, in my mind, where I make up story all the time, and I pretend that I'm not someone left to face the words. Lady, I'm not the same. If on a string else calling what's my name, if I feeling you will be so bright, and he's gonna need me now, but he's not you. He's not you. He will never be you. But with my mistakes, promise that I'll never get so near. All the things I wanna talk about, hard to say it to myself when the rhymes once again. In the snow I can see just where I'm at, how far I made it in the war so cold, where I have everything, but it's not you. It's not you. It will never be you. But it's not